We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.